Aramula, the historic and mythological town in the Pathanamthitta district of Kerala, is famous for its the ancient metallic mirror called the Aramula Kannadi, the boat races during the Onam season, and for the Valla Sadhyas that takes place during 72 days from the end of July to the beginning of October. Aramula, the famous historic town in the Pathanamthitta district of Kerala, is famous for its boat races, the Aramula Kannadi, and for the Valla Sadhyas. For 72 days, beginning from the end of July to the beginning of October, the Valla Sadhyas begin, which is an offering to the Lord Parthasarathi of the Lord Parthasarathi temple in Aramula. The devotees make the offering to fulfill their wishes, like their marriages and for the birth of a child and any other wishes they have. Last year and many years before, every year around 500 or more offerings are made on this 72 days. During the Valla Sadhyas, the Aramula temple is famous for the biggest dishes served during a feast in India. That is 64 dishes are served during the feast. The feast is primarily for the oarsmen who row the Palliyodam or the snake boats of the temple and bring the offerings of the devotees to the temple. Now, do you wish to participate in the feast, to have the feast of 64 dishes? And have you thought how to participate in the feast? So we'll discuss about that in this video. The legend has it that Bhattatiri of the Mangalatha family in Kattur in the Pathanamthitta district used to give Onam feast every year. One year no one came for the feast, and that day later a boy arrived and the Bhattatiri served him the feast. After the feast, the Bhattatiri asked the boy to visit every year. However, the boy told him to give the feast next year at the Aramula temple, and he disappeared. Unfailingly, after that, every year the Bhattatiri loads the boat with the materials required for the Onam Sadhya, and on the eve of the Onam Sadhya, he will go by the boat carrying all the materials to the Aramula temple, and it will reach Aramula temple by the break of the dawn. And the tradition today is carried on by the descendants of his family. when the Tiruvona Thoni started arriving to the temple later on, it started getting rocked. That is when the boatsmen from the nearby area started accompanying the Tiruvona Thoni. And now 52 Palliyodams accompany the Tiruvona Thoni on the Onam day. The tradition continues to this day. The Vallasadhya is primarily for the boatsmen and for those invited by the devotee making the offering. However, on some days like the Ashtami Rohini, which is the birthday of Lord Krishna, everyone who is visiting the temple can participate in the feast. The devotee making the offering gives an offering of flowers, tobacco and betel leaf to the Palliyodam. The Palliyodam begins the journey and makes 2 rides in the river singing the boatman song. When they reach the temple ghat, the devotee making the offering welcomes them. The most interesting part of the sadhya is the curry slokas. 48 dishes are served on the banana leaves. The oarsmen, clad in white mundu and thought, demand the rest of the dishes, reciting slokas about the ingredients in the curry. The dishes include banana chips, jaggery chips, pickles, avial, chutney, 3 papads, dal, sambar, ghee, salt, 4 types of payasam or dessert, and banana. The first papad is to be mixed with the dal and rice. The other 2 with the payasam or the dessert. The banana also is to be mixed with the adapradam and payasam. Locals suggest that it is best to sit near the boatsman so that you get all the dish that are demanded through the slokas. If you wish to participate in the feast, then you need to contact the Palliyoda Sangam. There are limited seats. So first get the booking for the day for the feast before planning your trip to Aramula. It is believed that the Aramula temple was built by Arjuna for Lord Parthasarathi. The word Parthasarathi means the charioteer of Arjuna, which is Lord Krishna. According to the legends, Lord Krishna arrived here on a boat a raft made of 6 bamboo, which is why the place is known as Aramula. Ara means 6 and Mula means bamboo. After the sadhya, the boatsmen prayed to the Lord Parthasarathi to bless the devotee and then leave back to their kara or area on the boat. The sadhya for those other than the invited and the boatsmen is served in the dining halls or uttapuras outside the temple. The date and the name of the hall will be mentioned on the coupon. You should queue outside the temple at least by 11:30 a.m. because the feasts are over soon. People travel from far and wide to experience the Aramula feast. The Aramula Vallasadhya is a blend of mythology, spirituality, tradition and rituals. To experience the largest sadhya in India is a once in a lifetime experience.